Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to the community of Strathmore, Kingston 8. This standalone 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house is thoughtfully designed to accommodate both work and play, with an office space and a room dedicated for a gym. The spacious and airy living areas are perfect for hosting guests or simply relaxing in style. With an open floor plan, the kitchen, dining, and living rooms are seamlessly connected, providing the perfect space for socializing and entertaining. The property also includes helpers' quarters, private security, and a caretaker, ensuring that residents have everything they need to live comfortably and securely. The swimming pool is a perfect place to unwind and relax, offering a refreshing respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Conveniently located just 2 minutes away from supermarkets, gym, and bars. The land area of this house is approximately 4,500 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 7,000 or Jamaican $1,077,000 per month. To rent or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.